I spray my bed. When I change my sheets, I spray the pillows with the alcohol disinfecting spray. And then I spray the bed. And it just freshens up the bed. And it's alcohol, so it kills bacteria and viruses. And I just do the whole bed. And I also love this because I can also clean my mirrors. So while I'm in here, I can clean this mirror. I can clean this mirror. All in one. Happy Wellness Wednesday. This is Jackie, your Natural Health Nomad, with your Wellness Wednesday tip for today. Hey everybody, I'm back. I know you missed me. So, I'm back. It's the first of the year. I'm back to making my DIY things. And today I need to make my spray disinfecting spray, which is alcohol. And I use this alcohol to do things like clean my mirrors. I spray my linens. I'm in the process of changing my sheets. So I thought, well, I ran out. I might as well show you guys what I make so that if you're interested, you can make it too. It gives your place a nice peppermint smell. It cleans your mirrors. It kills bacteria and viruses. I spray it on my sheets. I spray it on my pillows. And I also use it to clean Chrome and things like that. So why don't we just get to it and I'll show it to you, okay? Okay, so here we go. First of all, I'm using my essential oils, and you can still get these essential oils for only $29.99. They're therapeutic grade, they're organic, and they are smaller than some other bottles, but for $29.99, you can't beat that. So I am using my essential oils. And then what you do is you get yourself a nice brown bottle, glass. You also need a funnel. You need rubbing alcohol. You need eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and lemon essential oil. You also need one third cup. So what you do is you do 1/3 cup of alcohol. And then you need 7 drops of peppermint. Of course, it's always more than 7. It's just hard to, see it. So 7, 10, it doesn't matter. Then you need lemon. So you need about the same amount of lemon. I just realized you can't see what I'm doing. 7 drops of lemon. And then you need about 14 drops of eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is highly, highly antiviral, antibacterial. So I put more eucalyptus in because it has more therapeutic value. I'm not good with my left hand, sorry. So about 14 drops of eucalyptus. Then so this is the alcohol and the essential oils. Then I fill the bottle up with some water, and I use my filtered water from my Berkey. I don't go all the way. Well, I guess I went all the way this time because I couldn't see. But I fill it up with water. And then you have your disinfecting spray that you can use all over your house. It's just alcohol and essential oils. And it's healthy. And it will clean chrome. It'll clean glass. You can disinfect handles. You know, you can disinfect faucets. And it's an easy way to help keep your house clean.